And guys, another bad thing about this car is the defrost button for the front windscreen. Look how far it is. It's right there. It should have been on this side. It's so far away, like you can't access it. When you're driving, it's very hard to reach over and access it unless you got the hands of a giant or something. I don't know. Even now, I've got long hands. I can't touch it. I literally have to lean over, press it there. You know what I mean? Right now, I can't touch it. While I'm driving, my screen misses up. I'm stuck. I have to quickly do it like that. It's a bit dangerous. It's not very thought out design, that one. That button should have been on this side. AC should have been. So basically, this one's not terribly hard to touch, but that should have also been on the right side, because it is a bit hard. Even for 3 years I've had this car, I'm still not used to pressing that button, just because of how weird it is. And that's your back demister, and that's your front one. So that front one is very badly positioned. They need to sort that out. So yeah, that's one of the bad points on this car as well.